to the Hiccup Show, where I just sit here and hiccup. One thing that turns me on to photography is Nikon. They make the best cameras. They make the best lenses. They make the best optics, sensors. But Canon is always good too. So that's why I like photography. I like taking pictures of people and interesting things and scenes and wildlife, planes, sunsets, downtown skylines. My wife, she likes to paint. She's a great painter. And I live on a fucking busy street, so I'm sorry that it's loud. And this damn thing doesn't have an external microphone input. So you gotta deal with audio problems. Otherwise it takes phenomenal photos, as you can see. But anyways, just wanted to let you know all that stuff. That I think to myself as an amateur photographer, because I haven't been around the world and all that. So the guy who's been around the world in the deserts and all that stuff is a lot better. So today at work I have tried 5 different remedies to get rid of hiccups. Guess what? They don't work. I tried eating a spoonful of sugar, just dry. Not working. Being scared the shit out of, not working. Drinking water upside down, holding your breath. All this stuff does not work. So it's 5 hours later and I still have the hiccups. Yes, my wife.
You're so foul.
What?
You are very foul. I'm watching you from inside and I'm laughing my ass off.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Because you're freaking foul and dramatic.
You can never do anything. I'm out of here.